Hi, you're welcome to my math friend, your favorite math educational channel. Let's look at a topic on the nature of roots given any quadratic equation. We have the general rule for formula for quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, now to find the roots or the solution of any quadratic equation, you need to use the formula in the box. Take note that when we say quadratic, it's simply, you see, it's an equation equal to sign, and it's quadratic because you see the only variable inside is x, and then the highest power of x is 2. That is why it's quadratic. Okay, so we're looking at equations of that nature. So let's use this very equation in the box to find the roots. Now take note of what is inside the square root. B squared minus 4ac, okay. Good. Now there are three cases under determining the nature of the roots. The first case is when you have your b squared minus 4ac, okay, being equal to 0. What it means is that you are going to be given values of a, b, and c to substitute into the equation. So after substituting, your answer is going to be a constant number. Okay, good. So if your constant answer or number is less than 0, what does it mean? You substitute your answer, which is less than 0, inside the square root over here. You have a square root of 0, a square root of a negative number. Since it's less than 0, it's negative. We have no. So since we don't have a negative square root, it means our root will be of this nature. X is equal to what? So it means that our roots are going to be unreal. Okay, it means they do not exist. So we say no real roots. You see that good. Now the second case we can talk about in describing the nature of our roots using the same b squared minus 4ac inside the square root. So first one we said is less than 0. The second one, when you substitute the values of a, b, c, then your answer is equal to 0. What will be the nature of your roots? So you have your constant, substitute it inside the square root over here, which is equal to 0. So your root is going to be x is equal to negative b over here, okay, it's plus and minus, so plus 0 out of 2a. You also have s is equal to minus b minus 0 over 2a. This is how your two roots will be. Now this is minus b plus 0 is minus b. Minus b minus 0 is also minus b. So what does it mean? It means that our roots are what? Equal or the same. And for that matter, it means they also exist. So since they exist, we say they are real. So real and real and equal roots. Good. You see that? Let's look at the third and the final case in describing the nature of our roots. Still using b squared minus 4ac found inside the square root. Is when you, after substituting the values of a, b, c, it will be given from the equation. Your answer, your constant over here, will be what? Greater than 0. If your answer is greater than 0, what does that mean? It means that you place a number greater than 0 inside the square root. Square root is going to be of this form, s equal to minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac all out of 2a. Okay. Then you also have x is equal to minus b. Sorry, let me write it here. x is equal to minus b, this time minus this way. You see that? Good. Now watch the two different roots. This very one and this very one. This is plus, this is minus. Why? Because you have plus and minus right here. So when your root is greater than 0, this is what you have. What does it mean? It means that your roots, two roots exists, or they are real. And also you see that they are different. It's plus and minus. So in describing the roots, we say that they are what? Real and distinct roots. Good. You see that? So these are the three cases. Now, what can we say about all these three cases describing the nature of our roots? You see that we use this b squared minus 4ac. So since we use this, it is called the discriminant. The discriminant, as you see on the board, represented with the capital D, okay, and then the symbol as you see over there. Very well. I trust you understand. Go over the lessons and leave any question in the comment section. Okay, now I'll address it for you. Subscribe to this channel if you've not. It's very, very important. Share to your friends, share to your students as well. Now, follow me in the next video as I take you through an example, okay, on describing or determining the nature of roots. Bye.